Hi, I'm Nick Hudson from Nick Hudson Fine Furniture Limited. I'm the director of the company. We've been running for just over 30 years. Dust is a problem within the workshop because it's carcinogenic in what we do, and it's all around us. And HSE are getting, quite rightly, hotter and hotter on it, and it's a case of trying to stay ahead of the curve, really. It's important to us because ultimately I'm responsible for everyone's health and well-being. I was aware of dust arrest from previous lookings on their website and things like that for vacuums, but I decided to have a blitz on dust and then look deeper into their website, bought some products, a really decent M-class vacuum cleaner and a dust blocker to filter out the dust from the workshop. Yeah, I'd say dust arrests were a one-stop shop in that they were able to help me with the vacuum, the dust blocker, giving us face fit testing, dust awareness training, going through the dust monitoring in the workshop as well. That was very important, so we knew how serious the dust problem is, to give us some sort of benchmark, to give us pointers into other equipment. So I'm thinking about buying some of our own dust monitoring devices that we can use. So it's not just monitoring on one day every year or so, it's keeping an eye on things in between time.